Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject General Science. Our today's topic is force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. This means that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, what happens? A force is exerted on a conductor, on a current carrying conductor. This force it causes a moment in the conductor. It makes the conductor to move. This is the principle of electric motor and of a number of devices. We have discussed Aristotle's experiments. Aristotle's experiment has shown that a current carrying wire exerts a force on a compass needle. In the Aristotle's experiments, what we do, we place a compass needle near a current carrying conductor, and when a current is passed through a current carrying conductor, what happens? It causes a deflection in the compass needle. It deflects from its usual north-south direction. Since a compass needle is actually a small freely pouted magnet, we can also say that a current carrying conductor exert a mechanical force on a magnet. If the magnet is free to move, what happens? This force can produce a motion in the magnet. अगर इस करो कौन मैं तो यह करा कौन इस वनो करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर यह वायर यह एक्सर्ट करा मैकेनिकल फोर्स ऑन ए मैग्नेट अगर ये मैग्नेट ओस फ्री तमिक मतलब गो ये फोर्स हसा कर कौन यह कर प्रोड्यूस अ मैग्नेटस मज मोशन द रिवर्स ऑफ दिस इज आल्सो ट्रू दैट मीन्स तेल वनो इस रिवर्स मतलब क्या गो दैट इज a magnet exerts a mechanical force magnet has exert mechanical force कथ पे on a current carrying wire. If this wire is free to move, अगर ये free ओस magnet ओस in the above case तेल क्या गस कौन this force can produce a motion in the wire तेल हसे गस कौन इन force से magnet exert करा on a wire ये force हसे कर कौन ये हसे कर produce motion in the wire. This force makes the wire to move. इन force से हसे कर wire moment. ठीक. In fact, this result can be obtained by Newton's third law of motion. दबा ये result हसे यह हसे गसा because of Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction. यह वन कि if a current carrying conductor exerts a force on a magnet, then the magnet will exert an equal and opposite force on the current carrying conductor. अगर इस वायर यह exert करा अगर current carrying conductor exert कर force on a wire तेल हसे magnet इतना exert करा equal and opposite force on the magnet. In 1821 scientist Faraday was तमिस ना he discovered that तम क्या वुश कि when a current carrying conductor place करा कथ मज in a magnetic field मज अत हसा वुश अख mechanical force गसा exert कथ पे on the conductor which can make the conductor move यम से conductor move है कर तमिक मतलब गो Faraday he discovered that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field ये वना Faraday current carrying conductor करोस place in a magnetic field what happens you see magnetic field यह exert करा it exerts a mechanical force on the conductor which produces a motion in the conductor which can make the conductor move. This is the principle of electric motor. Yes, electric motor principle, and it forms the basis of a large number of electric devices like motor, moving coil, galvanometer. Then one is when to conclude this topic, we conclude when a current carrying conductor is placed करा in a magnetic field कथ करा magnetic field mushkara produce as a place. What happens? A mechanical force is exerted on the wire. The wire पे has mechanical force करा, which can make the conductor to move. This is the force today. This is the force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. This say the force on a current, it forms the basis of a large number of devices. It is the principle of electric motor.